Molweni guys, namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisave Entertainment and Banonke. You have been eagerly waiting for this day, okay? You have been eagerly waiting for early horror early into yokuba hayibo konini nontombi silindile big reveal ba uvuyokazi kahle kahle wenza ntoni eTurkey, because iTurkey siyazi must be idume ngantoni, idume nge-BBLs, nge-mummy makeovers, osithelo shows nabo. After ke bebe nabantwana abayi-3, they went over to Turkey, wenza isisu, wenza ke nempundu ke na ke osithelo. So I think 5 days ago uvuyokazi uye wasithithasi kancinci ke ku-Instagram wakhe wasivezela into yokokubana uhambile useTurkey. Now there were some people ebebesithi no, uvuyokazi is there for a job opportunity. Abanye ke they were just speculating into yoba she is there for a mommy makeover, because obviously unabantwana abayi-2 and since enabantwana abayi-2 obviously kuyafitha uba ahambe aye eTurkey ayokwenza whatever it is adinga ukuyenza ke emzimbeni wakhe. So ndihleli ke guys ndithi hi, one of abantu bam abandithandayo bandisendele ke this beautiful picture ke kavuyokazi, and uvuyokazi was there for a surgery guys. Ndiyaxolisa if amanye amagama andizokwazi ukuwabiza kakuhle, but ngicela ukufunda from this post. Ithi ke iposti, our princess from South Africa. Andikwazi nokulifunda igama lomuntu opostileyo guys. It's bariatric, so ngicela ungalifundi. Okay, but ubhale wathi, our princess from South Africa, our patient said hello to a new life thanks to the experienced hands of OP doctor, then bacho igama lakhe. I am sharing this photo as a memory from our nutrition meeting after a gastric sleeve surgery. You are so cute and so sweet, Vuyokazi. I am so happy to have met you. Okay, so guys, uvuyokazi had a successful surgery. Ngelukundifundela futhi once again. Ningandijudge ke guys if amagama ndikwazi uwabiza uba yintoni i-gastric operation. Okay, bathi ke apha ku-Google, gastric operations, also known as bariatric or weight loss surgeries, are procedures that modify the digestive system to aid in weight loss. Okay, phecelezi, how can I explain it? Bayabasike isisu sakho sibe sincinci so that uzotya ukutya okulingana nesisu sakho, basically sezotya ukutya mhlawumbe ongaka. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah guys, uvuyokazi had a successful gastric surgery at Turkey. Congratulations to her guys. Your thoughts? Let us engage on the next one. Bye.